Good afternoon, everybody. We have nobody in here right now. Few people, but it's the best people. We got Chris first in the chat. What's going on, Chris? We got Chris, Dark Bro, Chris, Giovanni, Dark Bro, and Nick F. Good afternoon to you. Let's check the market out, guys. See what is happening with AMC, Shiba Inu coin, and all of those other coins that we watch out there. Pulling up Weeble, we've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. It is sitting at 513. Man, all those rhymes, I love it. AMC 513, close 4.06% higher today. Shiba Inu coin dead steady at 8.99. GameStop in the bottom right, 21.07. And Tesla down in the bottom left, coming back towards the end of the day today, sitting at 251.75 after hours, closing at 251.45 on regular trade during the day, and following a beautiful uptrend after this morning's downtrend. Most likely on news, I believe it was the CFO. The CFO, I forget his name, and I believe it was the CFO. One of the executives at Tesla stepped down today, causing a pretty big panic in the morning, but traders kind of feeling okay with it towards the end of the day there and moving back higher. NASDAQ, my goodness. NASDAQ finishing the day 0.61% higher today, 13,994 at the close. Dogecoin, 7.3 cents. Ethereum, 18.23. Shiba Inu coin, 900 points per coin. Bitcoin, 29,124. Mullen Auto, 1136. Down pretty heavy on the day today, 5% loss with a little bit of a gain towards the end of the trading today. Sundial, $1.49. The SPY, 450.71. Netflix, 440.76. Highcroft Mining, 40.52. QQQ, 375.19. We have got, oops, didn't mean to zoom in there. Ape sitting at $1.79 towards the close. 10.10 on MPW. Like we say, Tesla 251.45. Enovix sitting at 17.59. PID 17.81. And last but not least, Joby finishing the day at 8.12 today. Down 0.55% on the day, but still doing good. All right, guys, let's come down here and let's check out. We're gonna watch Bitcoin into the after hours trade here. And let's go back to the chat and see what we got. Good afternoon, Nick F. Let's get it. Dark Bro, let's get it, man. Let's look at AXIA. Let's pick up where we left off, Dark Bro. I like it. Tim, good afternoon to you. Big Tim in here. Tim, Dark Bro, everybody, all 11 of you. Thank you for being active in the chat. You guys are going to have to step up the game with 11 of us in here right now. The chat might be going pretty slow. So let's go over and look at Axia for Dark Bro. We got Gather sitting right there. Man, 98% all-time loss on Axia. Let's go up here and see where, or not on Axia, on Gather. Let's see where Axia is sitting right now. Axia Protocol, ladies and gentlemen, is basically 1 cent per coin right now. 999, getting it for a penny. Let's see what the market cap is. $0 market cap. Oh my gosh. Wow, Axia, all right, this is interesting. Axia coming down from about $5 a coin, currently sitting at a penny a coin. The market cap is showing at 0, with 24-hour volume at $2. Well, we know that the market cap should at least be $2, but I don't know if coin market cap actually goes that low. Let's see here. Circulating supply reported at 0. Something is wrong with all of this. Volume, $2.20 over the last 24 hours on ProBit Global. Dark Bro, they're not giving me much information on this one, man. Axia Protocol is not pulling up too much here. I mean, what are we going to do with it? I mean, it's literally a $0 market cap. Just go buy them all right now. That's why this is tough, dude. Long with this data right here that we are sitting at $4 or $5 highs and the current price at 1 cent. Let's take a quick look. See if we get anything different on CoinGecko. Is it this one? Is it this one that you were looking at? CoinMarketCap dump sometime. Well, yeah, definitely. If that's the right coin, CoinMarketCap is wrong on that one. This one, though, this Axia V3, has a market cap of $6,000. This could be another one you'd like to look at here. Max. Dude, I don't know. This looks like the exact same coin. This Axia V3 looks like the exact same coin as Axia. Currently sitting at a price of 1 cent. Yes, the market cap is $6,000. All right, so this could be, oh my gosh, all-time high 530, and it is currently sitting at 1 cent right now. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know why this coin would have died out the way that it did. But if these are legitimate prices, and it's sitting at a $6,000 market cap, it'd be a $600,000 market cap to get back up to, what, a $1 price point. Dude, I mean, yeah, you could easily get back up to $5 in terms of total market cap. Yeah, you could get back up to $5 in terms of total market cap. And, I mean, having gone in 2021 from a 17-cent price up to $5 a coin. Yeah, dude, that's legitimate because that would be a $600,000 market cap at $1. And then just a $3 million market cap at a $5 price point. So, Dark Bro, I don't know if this coin's going to get there or not, man, but it is a definite possibility that Axia rises once again and reaches those levels based on simply a $3 million market cap, man. That is going to be very easy. So if you get it, you get it. If you don't, I don't think you're going to lose too much, right? And that would be, what, a 500x increase. 100x increase up to $1, and then a 5x increase from there back up to that $5 all-time high. So, Dark Bro, you got your work cut out for you, but I think you can make it on that one. Where is Farmy? Let's check it out, Tim. Let's check it and see where it is. I'm not sure about that. Pudgy, not sure about what? You're not sure about Axia making it back up to that $5 mark? I wouldn't be sure that it's going to do it either. But if it does, Dark Bro is going to be rich, and he's going to be happy. I definitely think in the bull run, it's golden, baby. Dark Bro, let's get started. I mean, 6,000. Dude, you'd be making, like, Shiba Inu coin type gains. Rolling from 6,000. You don't even have to go to $1 billion market cap, and you're better off than you would have been in Shiba Inu coin. Let's see here. Oh, Farmy is what he wanted. Farmy. Farmy, all right. Farmy coming back down, sitting at 43.98 cents. 44 cents on Farmy right here. Having a pretty difficult last couple of days and having a pretty difficult lifespan for Farmy, really. I mean, look at this graph. It's probably worse than Molinado. No, it's actually not worse than Molinado. Well, Molinado was like $10 just a couple of months ago. At least this was $10 a couple of years ago. Farmy sitting down here near 10% off major levels of support. So Farmy coming down to test 44-cent levels of support here. And if it breaks through that, it's testing 40 cents. If it breaks through 40 cents, it is worthless, ladies and gentlemen. Big red candle on the day today, bringing it down 4% to test this level right here. Watch out for a break below because then you're testing that 40 cents. And we've tested it once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, 6. Nah, we'll call this one time, 6. If the 7th one breaks down, Farmy could be absolutely worthless much sooner than anticipated. So watch out, Tim. If you're looking to buy in off that support, yeah, well, we could be hitting it pretty soon here. Oh, I'm definitely getting some, Dark Bro. Get it, man. Your numbers don't add up. Do they not? Do they really not add up? Let's see here. If it's got a $6,000 market cap, yes, and it 100x's, currently sitting at a 1 cent mark. 100x would get you to $1, and that would get you up to a $600,000 market cap. If you 5x from there, right? 5x from there, you're looking at a $3 million market cap. I'm pretty sure those numbers add up, right? $3 million market cap takes you back up to a $5 price point. Do it again. Pudgy, make sure they do add up. I think that they add up. I could be off. But it seems like if it's sitting at a $6,000 market cap at 1 cent right now, 100x gets you back up to $1. 100x on the 6,000 takes you up to 600,000, and then 5x and from there, 6,000 times the 5 takes you to 3 million. Just takes you to $5. Is that right? Is that wrong? I think it's right. I just put them in the calculator, so I may have put them in the calculator wrong, but seems like it's right. Sorry I'm late. Oh, in the middle of the trade that is kicking my butt. See, this is what happens when you get greedy. Kenneth, it is true, man. Hopefully it's not kicking your butt too hard, though. Clay, if I have 40 million Shib, say it reaches the highs it did before, around how much gains is that? Not in percentage, please, so I have an idea. So, Chris, it's going to be around a 10x increase from right now. So, if you've got 40 million Shib, 40 million Shib is what? $400 right now, I think? I think 40 million Shib is going to be roughly about $400. So you'd be sitting on about $4,000 if it got there. Those are rough numbers because it's like 900 points per coin right now. So 40 million flat would be just under $400. So all you got to do, man, is add a 0 onto the end of your current holdings. So if it's like $390, it would be $3,900. If it's $380, you'd have $3,800. If we 10x from here, you 10x your holdings. And to get back to the all-time highs is about a 10x increase for Shiba Inu coin. So whatever 40 million is worth right now, I believe it's maybe like 380, 390. Could be slightly less than that. But you would be 10xing to get to those levels, so not a percentage increase, 1,000% if you want to know that. But yeah, it would be just add a 0 to whatever your current holdings are, and you'd be right there, 36, 37, 3,800, 4,000, right around there. Don't try, Clay's the numbers mass. I think it's right. I don't have to make sure they add up if you do it for... Oh, man, Pudgy, you can at least try, man. You can at least try. If I was wrong on it, I wanted to know I was wrong on it. I mean, because, guys, sometimes, staring into the computer screen, I might miss something if I'm looking at all of these charts and everything else. I might end up missing something, so I could definitely be wrong. I could skip a 0 somewhere and need some correction there. Login number 7, please, sweet shiny baby Jesus crash Farmy so I can buy all of them and burn it to the ground. Tim, man, I will gladly take place in that and would love to see that happen, man. So if you make it happen, please let us know before you do it. Clearly, the other one I saw was Paid Network. Let's check it out as well. Anyone see Tectonic running? Yes, Lonnie. Looking at a great name there, Lonnie. Lonnie, we saw Tectonic earlier. I believe it was Mr. Bry Guy. Bry Guy was asking about it. Tectonic up like 30% on the week right now. Beautiful gains, man. Back up to 1,300 or 130, 13 points, whatever you're calling it. But yeah, about a 30% gain, going from about 1 to a 1.3 or 10 to 13 there. Looking very good. And it has been doing very well for a few days now. You are right. It's beautiful bottom left to upper right. So when you don't get something down in your copious notes, just disagree so you don't Hattie rewind the live stream. Yes. Have to rewind. I think have to rewind the live stream, not Hattie rewind the live stream. I think that one is it. I dropped $500 on Evil Pepe, and it's being evil. I'm almost back to $500 break even. Well, you know what, Kenneth? Breaking even is better than a loss, man. Timbro, he is good. Sleep deprivation, however, is not good. Yeah, sleep deprivation is never good, man. Claybro on the Bros, check out the supporters chat. What's Dark Bro got going on over there? Gotta love the number glitches. Dark Bro, yes, man. Dark Bro is stinking rich. His number glitches are taking him, dude. Which one's pumping, though, for you? Is it Paul? Oh, yeah, I think it's your Paul that's pumping there. You got Paul Zone, and is that two different Pauls? Paul Zone and Paul Swap, or just Pauls? Dang, dude, Dark Bro is rich. 18 and 21,000 in Paul. Oh, wow, Dark Bro, cash those out, man. Cash those out. Let's see. Smiles maniacally. Gosh, man, is that even a word? Smiles like a maniac, Tim is sitting on Tonic at 800 and a little bit. There you go, man. Tim almost doubling his investment in Tonic right now. Still looking solid on that, Tim. Very nicely done. The other one, Paid Network. Dark Bro wants to check out Paid Network real quick. So let's take a look at that. Paid Network. All right. Paid Network. Ooh, Dark Bro, man. This is an expensive one. We're sitting at a whole 1.7 cents at a $1.4 million market cap. All right. All-time graph is down big, man. Coming down from that $5 mark to about a cent and a half. Wow, down 96% all-time here. 1.7 cents with $5 all-time highs. Do we have the market cap on that? Because that's going to be a much, much higher total market cap than... Wow, dude. Dark Bro, this was a pretty big coin back in that bull run era. $317 million market cap down to a $1.4 million market cap. So yeah, Dark Bro, you're looking at a potential 150, 200x in this coin right here if it gets back up to its all-time high market cap, man. That's not bad at all, dude. That's not bad at all. And that's a pretty big market cap. That is what I love to see, though, during bull markets. Even these tiny little coins. And look, it's going from, it says 0, but massively moving higher up to that $325 million market cap. Paid Network is another one that's been up there. Dark Bro has fallen down drastically. So if you're able to make on that, dude, let's get started. Let's see. Yes, it was a Paul Zone and Paul Swap. Paul Zone and Paul Swap. Dark Bro, Queenie might be pumping him right now. Let's see what Paul's doing. We haven't looked at Paul in a very long time. Shoot, now I forget which one's which. Alright. Paul Swap. Is that Queenies? Is Paul Swap Queenies? Yeah, it must be. Dang, dude. Queenie made a ton of money. Now this coin is right back down to where it was pre-Queen. Pre-Queenie, down here, I think it's a little above that, no? Maybe twice that price. Pre-Queenie, down here, way too many zeros and a 3. Shooting up, my goodness, dude. What, like 20x from the pre-Queenie days? And currently sitting at way too many... Oh, gosh, this graph. This graph is not making it easy on me. Way too many zeros and a 7 right now. Queenie, we need you back. Paul Swap has got to make some gains again. Especially for Dark Bro's sake. Send it, man. Send it 10, 20x right there and get Dark Bro some of those gains. Lonnie, I dig the coin. Tonic, yes, man. I bet you're having a very good time with Tonic, especially if you're in at that 800 point per coin level. I don't even remember what platform I have my Tonic on. Well, Pudgy, the good news is you're probably not going to be tempted to sell if you can't find it. So, Pudgy, definitely holding for the long term on Pudgy. If you supply your Tonic on DeFi, you can easily gain more. Percents are way down from what they used to be, but I'm optimistic that will change. Pudgy, only VVS, and Crypto.com. Well, there you go. It's probably on Crypto.com then. Unfortunately, it is a real glitch. Darn it, Dark Bro. I did try to swap it just to see if it would work, but of course, the blockchain knows the real price. The blockchain knows what CoinMarketCap does not. Darn you, blockchain technology. Look, dude, blockchain technology is beautiful like that, Dark Bro. It really is. And that just wants me to say really quick, you know, blockchain is meant to be permanent. Blockchain is meant to not be screwed up. Blockchain, in its majority consensus, is untouchable. Well, when you're talking about Terra Luna Classic, what if you woke up, Dark Bro, and I don't know how much you have, right, in Paul and all that stuff. I don't know what the actual price is. I'm not going to sit there and do the math, but what if you woke up and your wallet was drained? You know, you would think that a scammer did that. You would think that maybe you attached your wallet, somebody hacked your phone, something. If you woke up and your wallet was drained. You know, the same thing could happen to $12 million worth of USTC in the Ozone protocol. Now, that's nuts, dude. The fact that people are willing to go in, hack the blockchain, and sell $12 million worth of somebody else's coins. So when you look at it in that perspective, man, nobody would want to wake up and see their wallets drained. If the people behind Paul Zone all of a sudden voted to drain your wallet, that'd be a rug pull, man. You'd be pretty upset with that. You wouldn't just accept it as, well, that's what the blockchain wanted. That's what I got. If all of a sudden, you know, the creator of Bitcoin said, I'm going to rewrite the blockchain for Bitcoin. I got the code. I got the access key right here. I'm going to go rewrite it and drain everybody's Bitcoin. Well, dude, what kind of a $500 billion scam would that be? But that's what Terra Luna Classic is wanting to do to USTC right now. They're wanting to go in, manipulate the blocks to delete USTC that doesn't essentially belong to them. I don't think it's right. I really do not think that that's right. There are other ways to go about it. Maybe just fork the entire chain like Do Kwon did when he abandoned it. If these USTC guys don't think that they can morally repeg USTC, maybe they can't. It's just you can't, like, I don't know, man. Integrity is worth more than money sometimes, and it almost seems like if you're willing to cut corners and you're willing to take somebody else's money, so even if it's so the greater good can take place, it's just not right. You can't do that. I had an interview today that went great. A few more to go, and I may be relocating to Charlotte. Megan, congratulations to you on that one. Hopefully, if you want to tell us a little bit about the position, tell us about the position, Megan, but that is absolutely incredible. Glad to hear that the interview went well, and if you got a couple more interviews, hopefully they go well, and you land your dream job, especially if it entails relocating. I don't know how many people want to relocate, but if it entails relocating, hopefully it is your dream job, and it is incredible. Ted, what's going on, Ted? Yo, so on Coinbase, there's a task in learning for base. If you complete that, you get 1 ETH. I have not done yet, but it was there. You get 1 Ethereum? Well, dude, I gotta log into Coinbase. Am I logged into Coinbase right now? I gotta see if I can get a whole sting of Ethereum. I'll shut down the live stream right now, man, and go grab that Ethereum if they're giving away an Ethereum for learning about base. Oh, it's $1 worth of ETH. Oh, whoo, Dark Bro. Dark Bro's fast on that one, man. Dark Bro is fast on that one. All right, let's see. Coinbase learn. All right, Dark Bro was fast on that one. I'm glad he saw it. I don't even know where to see it right now. Dark Bro, good looking out on that one. Whoo. $1 worth of ETH is much different than 1 ETH. Wow. Gorilla Bro, don't go anywhere near base. It's a scam, and all the coins on there. It's pretty much a scam, and I've been doing some research on it for a couple of days. I bridged to it, and all my Ethereum was gone. Stolen. Yeah, dude, nobody wants anything stolen, so watch out for it. Megan, North Carolina or South Carolina? Is there a Charlotte, South Carolina? I would imagine it was North Carolina, right? At least I'm using profits on this one. Thank you, Aimbot, but darn you, evil Pepe. Yeah, Kenneth, nobody likes losing anything. If you broke even, though, man, you're still doing great. Let's see. Claybro, remember that 20x Shib? Yes, I do. I remember that 20x Shib. I was thinking about that over the weekend, PS5. I didn't mention anything about it in the videos, but I was thinking, and I didn't know. So I got to read this chat that you just sent there. I do want to know if you opened that 20x leverage position, because I did remember that. Called the 800s we did together on the live. Took profit at 1010s, and then called short till 911. Took profit now. Oh, my God. PS5, man. PS5. Congratulations on that one, dude. Wow. Not only did he play it up, he played it back down as well, man. Wow. PS5. Excellent job on that position. 20x. Were you 20x leverage on the way back down, too? Holy smokes. This dude killing a 20x leverage trade. Guys, 800s to 1010s. If you run that 20%, 5, you're on 5, you're on 20x leverage. You what? 4x your money on the way up. And then on the way back down, I don't know what that would have been there because I don't know what your leverage was, but another 10% gain. Dude, you might have been looking at another 2x gain on the way down. If you 4x your money on the way up and 2x your money on the way back down, PS5, absolutely awesome, man. Congratulations on that one. Huge trade for you. Little bit of clinical and kitchen stuff and more money. Very nice, Megan. Kenneth, there's only one real Charlotte. It's North Carolina. Yeah, I mean, that's the only one I was thinking about. I don't know. If there's one in South Carolina, there absolutely could be. It's probably a Charlotte, Ohio somewhere, but who the heck knows. Let's see. Rozzy, what's going on, Rozzy? Glad to have you in here. It's cool, Gorilla. It sucks, but I learned not to trust it. Yeah, man, and I don't want to lose anything on there either. Alani says, cool, or Gorilla says, Alani, cool. I'm going to stay away from it. Post-Darks experience. Yeah, man, hopefully. And you know what? They might get it all worked out, right? They might get some of the stuff worked out, but a lot of new coins do end up being scams, so you got to watch out for those. And there are new coins all over base. And I'm sure, guys, there will be the same deal on Shibarium. Everybody is nobody wants to go out there and build a legitimate project and help people earn money. They would rather build a fake project and steal from people. So please be aware, even if you guys are looking at Shibarium in the next couple of weeks here, it could turn out to be a disaster as well if it's ridden with nothing but scammers and fake projects. Bull run before or after the halving? Daniel, you would all hope before, man, but I think that the bull run is going to be reliant on regulatory clarity. So whenever that comes out, dude, if we get some clarity here in the next couple of months, I think we're going to be solid, dude. If it takes us a couple of years, I still think that we might have a couple of years, but I think it's really dependent on the clarity. Clever, look at this coin called Elite Swap. It's on the network. Read the description of the coin and tell me what you think, or tell me what you see. The answer is in the description of the coin. All right, Dark Bro, we'll see if we can do that. You're all right in my book. If you had... You're all right in my book if I had a book. Exorcist, good deal, man. I don't have a book either, so I'm glad I'd be okay in your book. Love you, bro. Thanks to you and the amazing on spot. Something all day, every day. We grind with the bros. Yes, we are. PS5, man, killing it. Bro coin, yes, bro coin could be a real coin. That is true. It'd probably be the only real coin, man. Everything else would probably be a scam. See, the thing with Base is that Coinbase is layered to the network. It's supposed to be cheaper and faster. It's not a coin. Similar to, the exact same thing with Shibarium. Right, Shibarium is going to be competing with Base now as well. Bone to 100. Let's go. Rozzy, I hope you make Bone to 100, dude. I would love to see a 100x increase for everybody out there. My gosh. What were we looking at, Dark Bro? Leet swap. Now, what are we looking at here? You want me to look at the description of the coin, right? Cryptocurrency and operates on the Base platform. LeetSwap has a current supply of 1.3 million with 0 in circulation. The last known price of LeetSwap is 7 cents and is up a lot over the last 24 hours. It is currently trading on 3 active markets with $1,600 traded over the last 24 hours. More information can be found at leadswapfinance.com. Yeah. I'm gonna go no, Dark Bro. And I don't even know how I can do that with 0 coins in circulation. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, man. Oh, you can't see it. You guys can't see it. I don't know what's going on with this one, Dark Bro. It says it's got like a quadrillion X% gain here today. Going from literally nothing but zeros all the way up to 30 cents. Down to 2 cents. Down to, 1 cent. Back up to 7 cents. I don't know what's going on with Leet. Probably not something I would want to touch. I don't know why it looks like that. That's crazy though, dude. Let's see. Rozzy, seems like whatever I'm not in is almost guaranteed to 100x, so I'll stay away from Bone for you. Chris, taking one for the team. I love it, man. Rozzy gonna be rich because Chris did not get in. So, Rozzy, man, when Bone 100x's to go up to that $100 mark, you better be saying thank you to Chris for not getting in. Absolutely, taking one for the team on that one, Chris. I see you living that sacrificial life there. How can something be trading to zero in circulation? Yeah, Dark Bro, I don't think that it can, man. I don't understand that. I don't understand that. Something's wrong with it. With all the rumors on BlackRock getting into the crypto world, specifically Bitcoin, how do you think it will affect the rest of the market? Well, let's put it this way, okay? I don't necessarily like BlackRock, and I don't want to look to BlackRock as being the savior of the cryptocurrency market or whatever. However, BlackRock has a ton of money. And if BlackRock begins to invest in the crypto world, if they start to open up ETFs and so on, if they start pouring money into crypto, it could cause a chain reaction. And other institutions begin pouring their money into crypto. And I believe that is one of the things that could send, crypto to the next level in the next bull market. So if... Let's see. The best way to put this. When you were looking at rallies in crypto 10 years ago, 2013 and so on, it was basically just Bitcoin. Bitcoin going from a couple cents to a couple $100. That's wild, right? 2017, you had a ton of altcoins just ripping higher. A lot of privacy coins like Zcash, Monero, and so on ripping higher. So altcoins kind of took the show in 2017. The 2021 bull market rally, obviously led by meme coins, okay? Dogecoin ripping, Shiba Inu coin ripping, everything, Dogelon, Baby Shib, Baby Doge, all of these meme coins running wild in 2021. I don't know what the next... I guess genre of coins is going to be. If it's going to be metaverse coins. Gaming tokens have already been in and kind of faded out a little bit. So I don't know what the next genre of winners is going to be. But I do believe it could be associated with institutions. So if you've got that regulatory clarity and a legitimacy to the cryptocurrency space, what you may end up seeing are institutional coins running higher and really, going from nothing to something. Think of it similar to XRP and Ripple. If you were looking at XRP when it was a tenth of a cent, just 5 years ago, or whenever it was, back 2016, 2017, you're sitting on wild gains in XRP. So if there's a legitimacy to the cryptocurrency space and we really see an influx of institutional investors, I think that could be the next genre of coins to really rip and take off and go from nothing to something. So you've got to at least keep that in the back of your mind. It might not be meme coins that 100, 200x in the next bull market. They might do well. We might be hitting all-time highs as the bull market is very contagious and everybody's buying anything and everything. But it might be opportunities like XRP, Stellar Lumens, people that are actually out there running businesses and creating coins around these institutions. So just keep that in the back of your mind that might be something we're looking at. Let's see here. Caesar says, got my 1,000 bone finally. I'll be fine. Making 100K. God, Caesar, I hope you do, man. I hope you do. If you guys are sitting on 100x increases on your $1,000 investments, Caesar, just remember to take the profit when you get it, man. Remember to take the profit when you get it, because Satoshi could just walk away forever, and then what are people going to be leaning on? Themselves? Let's see. Do you believe BlackRock is getting into Bitcoin? Yeah, Giovanni, so I do think that institutions will get into crypto, not just Bitcoin, but I think that they're kind of waiting, man. They're kind of waiting for the playing field to be leveled, the destruction of places like Coinbase and Binance and so on, so that they can come in and run the industry like they do Wall Street. Dude, when there's money, when there's trillions of dollars to be made, these people will come flocking in. Lonnie, I hold a bunch of Solana. I think it'll do good. Not financial advice. Hopefully it does if you guys are in it. The daughter is here. Wants to know thoughts on Batcoin. Ooh, I think that's basic attention token, right? I've not looked at that in a very long time. Let's see where BAT's at. I think that's basic attention token. I think you're talking about this one and not like BAT Finance or whatever that just was, right? Let's see where this bad boy's trading. This has been one that I've looked at. I was looking at this during the last bull market. All right, so look, this is the all-time graph. I don't know exactly what they do, but this was a legitimate token on Webull during the last bull market and had done very well to, what is this, basically 7x, and even better than that, roughly 10x from the all-time lows. The good news is it does look to be at a very strong level of support. This 20-cent mark tested in 2017, tested in 2017, tested in 2018, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, and the 20-cent mark that it's at right now seems to be a very, very low level of major support. Now, obviously, it could fluctuate a little bit, and these little red lines on CoinMarketCap, can you guys see it? Okay, cool. I want to make sure I'm not scrolling around something you guys can't see. You know, these slightly lower levels could be better levels to get in at, but nonetheless, you know, even if it doesn't run back up to all-time highs, you're still looking at a potential doubling of your money in this relatively tight channel that it likes to trade in during bear markets. So going from 12 cents to 38 cents, going from 20 cents up to 27 cents, back down to 11 cents, up to 35 cents. So it does have a tighter channel that it likes to stay in. But, dude, if we get another bull market ripping and it jumps up 10x from where it's at right now, you're clearly going to be doing very well. So I don't know everything that they do. I just do know that they've been around for a while, and they do seem to be at some pretty strong levels of support. AMC has got earnings coming out tomorrow, right? I believe we're going to have an earnings call with Adam Aaron tomorrow after the close. We're going to have to see how those go. My thoughts are that AMC does have good earnings numbers, but there's going to be a lot of buts out there. Adam Aaron, you know, record revenues, but we still have a liquidity crunch. Record concession sales, but we still face bankruptcy. Record growth, but we still run the risk if we don't dilute shareholders. There's going to be way too many buts for it to possibly be good news. Now, like Pringleton said earlier, though, man, maybe we've got an opposite effect this time, and tomorrow is opposite day, and everything just works out great. How about Grape at $23, but I have to wait 120 days to sell it. Now that it's over $200 a coin, this kind of sucks. Ooh, Exorcist. I would watch out for those, okay? I've seen some coins like that before, and the problem you run into is when you buy in and it's got a lockup period. It's what everybody wants to see, right? The price is always going up. The price is continuing to move higher because everybody is holding. Everybody's forced to hold. But the moment that you are able to sell, the people that got in first and they're able to sell first, they rip everybody. It almost like rugs itself when it's time to sell. So, with that being said, man, I don't know how early you got in, but if you see it selling off, okay, the moment your lockup period is over with, do not be afraid to take your profits, okay? If you are up, and it's a 10x gain or whatever, if you are up on that position when you are able to sell, I've seen it time and time again with the coins that make you lock up before you're able to go out there and sell them. It moves higher because that's what everybody always says they're doing, buying and holding and not selling, so therefore it goes up in price. Let's see. And if we could just clear 2 zeros from Luna Classic, we hit 1 cent. I'll still make big money. Oh, yeah, Patrick. I would love that. Kai, you know I did. As soon as I can buy them out, just burning into the ground the very next day. Very nice, Tim. Libra looked at 2 charts, XDB and LUNC, on the daily spot with both ecosystems. I chose the one that just made a nice gain. Take a guess what just happened. I'm going to be optimistic, man. Hopefully you got in and it ripped even higher, PS5. You got in and it ripped even higher. I missed everything. Start over. Kai. We've got Chris first in the chat. Chris first. We got Chris, Dark Bro, Chris, Dark Bro. Who else was in here? Nick F was in here early. I forget who else was in here. I forget. 1-0 delete on Tectonic, and I am done with crypto. Crow should make it back to $1 XRP, depending on appeals from worthless Gensler. Should skyrocket XRP. It is correct, Lonnie, man. I hope you can 10x on Tonic. I would love it. And, dude, I do hope that, I think that Crypto.com coin, Kronos, I think it can make it back to $1 one day. I do agree with that. So long as that exchange doesn't get shut down or something stupid, I don't see why they couldn't. More butts in here than likes. Guys, click the like button. Adam Aaron, AA wants to put his hands deeper into your pockets and ship outside a military base on payday. Oh, my God. Well, dude, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Later, bros. Got to head to work. Dark, bro. Enjoy it, man. Make sure you do your best. And just know that people that ask for help in Home Depot need the help. So hopefully you're able to give it to them. Later, dark. God, I married a couple of Oh, gosh. Well, Tim, you're still here. You're still here to talk about it, so you're doing well. A little bit of a market recap for Dark Bro on his way out, guys. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, still sitting steady at 511. Shiba Inu coin floating around 894 right now, moving down over the last half hour or so. GameStop, 2107 after hours. Bitcoin doing pretty well, 29,135 right now. Dogecoin, 7.3 cents. Ethereum, 18.23. Shib, 894 at 29,135 on Bitcoin. Mullen, down 1.5% after hours. Sundial, down 0.5%. SPY, it is down or up slightly after hours, sorry. Netflix, sitting down 0.04% after hours. Highcraft Mining, up slightly after hours. QQQ, not doing too much, moving around. Man, do we have some earnings report coming in here, or what is this big tick on the QQQ? Did we have an earnings release today that would have affected the QQQ like that? Ape sitting sideways after hours. Not too much going on in MPW. Tesla's sitting up 0.23% after hours. 252 per share there. And Novix 0.45% up after hours. 1767 PID. No movement. And after hours on Joby up 0.25% as well. We're going to watch Bitcoin, and hopefully it continues to bounce from here. 29,131 on Bitcoin. Oh, man, you guys got to be more active in the chat. I don't know what you're doing out there, but you got to get more active. It's all right. I'll let it slide this time because there's only 34. Sometimes there's a very active 34 people in here. Sometimes there's a very slow 34 people in here. Hey, bro, where would you say the resistance is on Bitcoin to call a short? Not financial advice, but it always dumps at a certain point to get that lower low. No bull run yet. All right, yeah, Kai's out there dreaming right now. Kai, get your head out of the gutters, man. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. If you're looking to present, oh man, well, it's been slowly moving lower. So if you're looking to maybe scalp a short on Bitcoin, here's the first thing I'm gonna look at. Okay, I see these lower highs being hit right here, and this trend line has held up beautifully since the very beginning of July 1st, July 2nd here. Now we did wick up, and that probably, if you were short leveraged, you know, you would have busted your short position there. There was a slight wick up here. I actually don't know if this would have busted your short. I don't know if this one would have busted your short, and I don't know if this one would have busted your short. This one could have busted your short position if you leveraged it. So watch out on that. But what do you notice, man? You notice that this downtrend has been intact, and after bouncing down and attempting to move lower, guess where we're at? Right now, we are right back up to testing this downtrend high. You can see it. Boom. Trying. Now, this is what you've got to keep in mind, though, okay? This downtrend that we're in, yes, this might be, if it starts to move lower from here, this could be an excellent entry. Why? Because it's the upper end. It's that downtrend that has been holding up for the last 5 weeks, since July 1st. We have wicked up, but we have always come back down. So, could be a good entry. However, what do you notice? Unable to break down through support at 29,000. Unable to break down through support at 29,000. unable to break down through this support at 29,000. So what we're looking at here is a beautiful wedge that's been formed. Over the last 5 weeks or so, we've got major horizontal support at 29,000. We've got a descending trend line, putting us to either today or tomorrow where we would want to expect a breakout. Either a breakout to the upside or a breakout to the downside. Clearly, if you believe it's going to bounce off this descending trend line and move lower, and it breaks down through this 29 support, and dude, if tomorrow's the day, you could be coming all the way back down to testing 27,000. That's a 10% move in Bitcoin. You'd be doing extremely well in a short position. If this horizontal trend line at 29,000 holds up today or tomorrow, may be the day that Bitcoin breaks this downtrend and begins moving higher again. So some things to keep in mind, right? Clearly, I can't tell you which trade to make and all of that stuff, but those are some things to keep in mind on Bitcoin if you're looking to potentially enter a short position right now. Hopefully that helps, man. Hey, that's why I'm confused as a sack. Everyone says to hold one day, and then everybody takes profits. Then people ask why I don't trust people. Oh, listen, Chris, never trust anybody else to have your best interest in mind, man. I mean, maybe your mom, your grandma loves you, stuff like that, dude. But anybody else, dude, you could be standing on the side of the road, man, and they'll literally kick you to push you under a bus if it meant that they could profit or get ahead in any way at all. So yeah, watch out for everybody else, man. Never trust anybody else to do good for you, except your mom. Dude. Your mom, your dad, your grandma. They might jump under that bus for you as opposed to throwing you under it. Let's see. Make sure you claim this power bill as a write-off. Oh my God. Yes, Lonnie. Right? Do it. Old man advice. Don't marry strippers. Do your own research. Don't buy or don't FOMO buy and don't panic sell. Just because they're pretty on the outside doesn't mean they're pretty on the inside. Buy land first. They're not making more of it. It's facts, dude. Tim's got his facts straight. He's lived, he's learned, and he's spreading that advice to everybody else right now. I like you. The old man advice, Tim. Monkey Doodle. I was really hoping Shiba Inu would keep moving up before the Shibarium release, but I have a feeling folks know the burn rates will be horrible. Devs don't really care about Shib. Bone is their bread. Monkey Doodle, I probably couldn't have said it any better myself. I still do think that we see a little bit of a FOMO buy in there, man. I don't think that the best we got was up to 1,000 points per coin. I think that I think we could see a little bit better. I'm optimistic, but I think you're absolutely right. Once those burn numbers come out, watch out, man. I can't see how people would be pleased with burn numbers on Shibarium. I'm going to authorize my own hydration, since nobody authorized it for me. It was back in the 80s, Lonnie. Don't think of it back then. Right now, I'm just trying to figure out how to claim my cats as dependents. There you go, Kai. Dang, man, the 80s. Such a long, long time ago. Keep throwing money at him. Lonnie, and then one day, it might just go up, right? One day, it might just go up. Gosh. With little or no happy ending, Shiba Inu coin, let's get it, Josh. Yes, BTA, something, man, I don't even know. You guys are going to the wrong strip clubs. I have to go to the fancy. Oh, God. Kenneth can teach you guys something about it. He knows a little something about it, something. Did you see VTGAN go from $2 to $60 between 9 a.m. and 9:21? NASCAR. I wasn't watching it, but yes. I did see that. It was $57 was the high or something. Absolute insanity. Still a remarkable 676% gain today after pulling back drastically, man. Pulling back 50% from the high today to the close today. Wild decline there. But yeah, if you look at the 5-minute chart, you can see in a couple minutes going from a $1.90 or so, ripping up to 57.97. Guys, this is a 5-minute chart. These are 5-minute candles. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and we're assuming this is a full 5 minutes. It could have taken place on the last minute of that 5-minute bar. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15. 25 minutes. Okay, this is real life. This is real life right here. Running from $2, let's say $1.60. All right, you're basically 35xing your money in a 25-minute period. Now, the tough thing is, if you don't have a stop loss set perfectly at $57, and this was probably, if we go to a 1-minute chart, we could see how quickly it pulled back here. Man. So, yeah, moving nicely. No losses, steadying off, and then ripping higher in 2 minutes from 25, doubling to $58. And then in the same, it just wicked up. So in a couple seconds, it ripped from $40 to $58 and right back down. You may have had 3 seconds to take your profit at this $57 mark. After that, 1 minute, all the way back down to 30, 2, 3, 4 minutes, you're back down to $23 from 57. So if you were not watching this, and you weren't, I guess, ready enough to take your profit in a 4-minute period, you watched half your gain disappear. Now, that's pretty tough to see, right? If you didn't even look at the stock until like 9:35 this morning, it's sitting at $13. So you didn't see any of this action right here. That's a wild, wild swing, man. It truly is. That's insanity. Mr. Palomino, 25 months of bro. Yo, Palomino, no. Mr. Palomino, what is going on, man? So glad to have you in here right now. Loving that 25 months of bro, dude. You need to be in here every single day. I don't know what you're doing at that place you call work, dude, but you need to be hanging out with us, Mr. Palomino. Come on now. I placed an order, but it didn't get filled. On to the next one. Yes, on to the next one. NASCAR. I was watching it when it was at 350. Right as Ross Cameron began actively. My gosh, dude. Yeah, that one didn't get. If you didn't get filled at 350 NASCAR, that is tough, dude. That is tough. You would have made a. Dude, what if you. You probably would have got out at 380. You'd have been like, sweet, 10% gain in 1 minute. I'll take it. Tim, not back then, no idea what they're like now. I know I miss. Okay, yeah, if you like Pimply. Oh my god. Nobody likes that, Tim. Nobody likes that. Let's see. They don't stop it. Pre-market? No, Justin. No. After hours trading and pre-market trading, if it's not during regular hours, they do not stop it. All right. And if you want to look, let's see. VTGN moving from 24 down to 19. What do we got here? So opened up 930, 32. So it did. Look, 32 to 35, 37. There was a 5-minute halt right here. Okay? 5-minute halt right here. 10-minute halt right here. Okay? So they did halt it during regular trading hours when it went from $17 down to like $14, $15, 10% move in a couple minutes right there. They did halt that. So there were a couple halts this morning as it was trading, but not pre-market, man. Not pre-market. There's no halts during pre-market like that. Later, guys. Lonnie, enjoy your day, man. Let's see. I try, but I've been very busy at work. But I try to be here more often, brothers and sisters. Mr. Palomino, really appreciate it, dude. I love when everybody's in here, man. And that's what Aimbot was doing for me last night and throughout today. I was strapped in my chair, grabbing the bottom and out in a minute, and right back in and out in a minute. Kenneth, that sounds... Dude, it sounds absolutely perfect, man. Those are the types of days, man, when you're on fire trading like that. You couldn't ask for anything better, man. So I am very glad you did it. And you know what? If you were able to get out, I don't know if you're still in Evil Pepe or not, man. But hopefully, if you're out of it, you broke even on it, and you don't have to worry about it now. Got to start the deep fryer. Gonna fry some walleye we caught last weekend. Heck yeah, Tim. I almost said Chris. That's what I'm talking about. It sounds like a good dinner. I'm glad we can educate Clay on important. Yes, I'm glad you can educate me on important info as well, Kai. The do's and the don'ts of the real world. That's what I need to know. Where do you think Shiba Inu burn rate needs to be to burn $5 trillion a month? Monkey Doodle depends on transaction amounts, right? So, based on the current numbers, if they're doing 260,000 transactions a day, just like the testnet is doing. If that's what we've got with Shibarium, we need transactions to be about the transaction fee, the burn fee, not just the total transaction fee, but the burn needs to be about $5 per transaction. Clearly, if you 5x the amount of transactions and you're sitting on 1 million transactions a day, 1.2 million transactions a day, you would need to burn $1 per transaction. You got to keep in mind, dude, 5 trillion SHIB is 40 at current prices around $40 million. So if you're burning, you need to burn $1.2 million a day to be at that level right there that you want to get at. So if you do 1 million transactions, you need to burn $1 a transaction. If you're only doing 200,000 transactions, you need to burn $5 a transaction. $40 million a month. You need to burn like $1.2 million, $1.5 million a day. It's a lot of money to be burning. So they would need to up those transaction fees drastically. Where are we going here? God, it's just fun to watch them try to keep the family friendly on the fly, always. And never try to pay with quarters unless they're in... No, just paying with dollar bills, or they'd probably take like Cashapp and Venmo now. They'd probably take Cashapp and Venmo, so you could just like, hold your phone up and scan it. You'll be good to go on that one. You guys are absolutely nuts, dude. Good news is Bitcoin making you some money right now. Bitcoin moving a little bit higher, 0.42% in the green. It is the only crypto on the screen in the green. It is sitting at $29,168 per coin and has been moving higher nicely after bouncing off. Well, it bounced off some lower lows there, but recently bouncing off that $29,000 support and now moving higher on the day, which looks good. Shib, unfortunately, still down 5% on the day. Ethereum is trying to crack back up above break even, and Dogecoin trying as well, but still down 1% on the day here. Hopefully we get a little bit of a bounce in the crypto world instead of a drop in the crypto world. Guys, do not forget, if you're playing AMC or if you're looking at calls or anything, puts, anything like that, it's probably going to be a pretty volatile day after hours tomorrow. Maybe leading into after hours. AMC has their earnings call and their earnings report coming up, I believe, tomorrow, maybe 5 o'clock or so. So just keep that in mind, that AMC could show some extra volatility tomorrow if you guys are still in, or if you are looking to play some call options or put options there. Clear, thank you, brother, for the technical analysis. Keep me alive and always grind at the top. When the bull happens, we will smile together. Yes, we will. And we're going to be smiling immensely, and that smile is going to last forever, because it is going to be life-changing money, PS5. Developers will never set the burn fee that high. No, Monkey Doodle, 100% agree with you, man. I don't think they'll ever set it that high. So there needs to be some sort of a compromise, right? An understanding that we're not going to burn $5 trillion a month. That's one thing that needs to take place. Another thing would be increasing the burn fee. I mean, exponentially from where it's at right now. Dude, I don't think anybody in here would be upset paying a penny per transaction. And the burn fees right now on the testnet, they could absolutely increase on the mainnet. I don't know what the mainnet's going to look like. But dude, when you got 12 zeros before your burn kicks in, it's 1 trillionth of a dollar. Nobody cares, dude. Bring that up to a penny. Bring it up to 10 cents. And nobody in the crypto world is going to get upset they're paying 10 cents for a transaction. That's still drastically less than literally anything else out there. So there's got to be some sort of compromise on both ends. Understanding we're not going to have 1 billion transactions a day. understanding that we're not going to burn millions of dollars, and also understanding that, they need to understand fees don't need to be that low. Guys, can it 10x next week with the launch? Sports, beer, and stuff. Let me just say this. Yes, it can 10x. I don't think that it will, though. All right? Shiba Inu coin, when it runs, man, it only takes a couple of days. The last time Shib ran, it ran from 800 points per coin to 35 in 3 days. And then it took another 3 trading days. After sitting steady for a while, it took another 3 trading days to break that 35 and rip all the way up to 8,800. So the answer is yes. Shib can run that high in a 6-day period. It's done it before. It could do it again. But it is not likely. Okay? It is not likely at all to do that. So don't take that as me saying, yes, it's going to do it. It is a possibility because of what it is. Down 75 on Evil Pepe at the moment, plus gas fees. I'm watching live on other monitors as Evil Pepe, no one, and searching for other trades on the other one, and watching Entourage show on the other. Very nice, Kenneth. Kenneth's got, what, four monitors up right now? Hey, but there's a Ryoshi stuffed toy now. Yes, there is. Tim, make sure to go buy it. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. It is 5:05 or 5:02. We're going to get off here. You guys kept me 2 minutes late. Watch the videos tonight. We got 2 of them coming out. Shiba Inu Coin AMC video going to be coming out tonight. Watch those. Click the like button. Share them somewhere, even if it's a stock twits and you just put it in a feed that disappears 5 minutes later. Share them somewhere, guys. Let's grow the channel together. And as always, shout-outs to Tim, Kai, PS5, man. Monkey Doodle, Sports Beer. See you later, Kenneth. Enjoy it. Tim, enjoy your evening. Monkey Doodle. Gen G, have a great evening. Jelly Bean Donut, see you later, man. DD214, we got PS5, Kenneth. PS5, enjoy your day, Kenneth. See you later. Gen G, Pudgy saying, peace out of the diamond-handed Wrench Kings, baby. Oh, yes. Gorilla, enjoy it. Tim, see you later. Toodles to you, Kai. Aiden, enjoy your day. DD214, Saukskin, see you later. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.